In this video we are going to be analysing Carnival Cruise Line's ticker CCL. So on the Friday it didn't really do too much, up near enough 0.5%, but what was more interesting is if we go into the actual chart, we have been, I think it was this day, we did move, we're up quite a bit of percentage, we're up 5% that day, and yeah, just have been a bit more volatile recently, and that's why we're kind of paying attention to it. Now, it is struggling to kind of break out of this range, so what is really kind of interesting to see is if we break probably back above this 10.25 or below 9.15, this will probably be direction. So if we break above 10.25, what I'd be looking for is this gap fill location at 10.18. Reason for that is, again, obviously gaps try and fill themselves. We also do have a gap fill at 10.61, but if it fills that, it's most likely going to fill that 11.18. So if we can break that, again, looking for that gap fill, but now then there's really kind of two reasons to get short. So this will provide a really good trading opportunity, this one 11.18, because yes, gap fill, and what tends to happen when they get gaps fill, they tend to then continue the direction that they gapped. So we know that is kind of a bearish signal, and then we also get hit with our first deviation on the 1 year chart. So again, another reason to at least expect a pullback off of this level. So that's definitely a trade opportunity I'm paying attention to, and actually something I will send an alert out, because if it does come there again, that's quite a high probability trade setup. If we end up breaking the 9.15, again, we then expect most likely a move to the downside. We would have a target of around 6.12 if downward momentum continues. We can kind of clear these ranges now, and then this would really be kind of a key support, because statistical mean on the 6 month, statistical mean on the 1 year, and also a 52-week low. So if we did push down there, probably our high probable level, but also an interesting level to focus on. We do also have quite a big gap fill at 7.25, so do be paying attention to that on the way down. Maybe not one I would play long bias. But if it does provide some kind of opportunity, do be paying attention. But otherwise, the cleaner opportunity will be at 6.12 if we continue down. If we did just to quickly note, if we did break down any further, we do have supports at $2.50 and $1. But again, the likelihood we push that low is not all that high. So I would be more focused on either the 6.12 and above, or playing the resistances to the upside, which would be if we break the 110. If we did continue high, we'd be looking at $13.90. 16.30, $17.80, going on to 21.50, and a final level at 26.50. Now, this level, the 21.50, if we did push this high, always be paying attention to this, because fourth deviation on the 6 month, third deviation on the 1 year, that level is going to be very strong. But as of right now, what are we paying attention to? Again, if we continue down, I'm really not looking for long bias trade opportunities until 6.12. If we start pushing up, I'm looking to get short around 11.15. Again, two reasons for entry off just kind of strict technicals. So probably quite a high probability trade setup. But if for any reason we do break through, what we're looking for is to come back to test it as a support, and if it holds, 13.90 is going to be that target to the upside. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on CCL. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.